That's crazy. There's like a whole freaking tower of tags. That's freaking fire. This building. Look at this building. Let's take pictures of this because this is fucking beautiful. This looks like Spider-Man.
I wonder why they.
I need to get pictures for my phone. This is
The view is crazy, right?
Where the dip am I right now? Where the dip am I? What? I'm literally in the back rooms. Like, ain't no way insane. This is like a good spot to film though. I'm not actually in the back rooms, but it is a good spot to film. I feel like. I mean, I'm already filming right now with my phone.
Yeah, faces are so big, bro.
It's funny that they have to like kind of go back to swallow it.
Yeah. You get fed all day, bro.
Is that a cool view? That's tricky.